THI एजुकेशन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक शेयर कमेंट और हाँ बेल आइकॉन को दबाना न भूलें ताकि हमारे सभी वीडियो की जानकारी सबसे पहले आपको मिलती रहे।
हेलो स्टूडेंट, THI एजुकेशन चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। मैं आपकी कंप्यूटर साइंस टीचर एंड आज का हमारा टॉपिक है प्रोटोकॉल। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज प्रोटोकॉल। ठीक है, प्रोटोकॉल इज एन एस्टैब्लिश्ड सेट ऑफ रूल। प्रोटोकॉल इज एन established set of rule that determine how two computers will send and receive the data in the same network. Okay, for example, HTTP it is a type of network protocol. Some important common network protocols we will discuss about it. First, TCP/IP. Second, FTP. Third, SMTP. Fourth, Telnet. And fifth, SSH. Okay, let's discuss about one TCP/IP. What is TCP? First we will discuss what is TCP. TCP is a transfer control protocol. Transfer control protocol. Okay, it is work to transfer data from sender to receiver. Work to transfer data from sender to receiver. It divides into packets. It divides files or data into small packets. And transfer it. our next topic is IP. The full form of IP is Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol. What is the work of Internet Protocol? It provides us the address. It is used in addressing, okay? Our next topic is FTP. The full form of FTP is File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol. So student, we can understand what is File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol is an standard internet protocol that is used to transfer file over the TCP IP, okay? Standard internet protocol that is work to transfer the file okay. Its speed is very high. It's transfer the data. It's transfer the data in very high speed. Okay. For example, we will see about this with the figure. Sender send the data through TCP IP to receiver. Okay, it use the TCP IP protocol. Okay, through this network the file transfer in very high speed. Okay, our next topic is SMTP. The full form of SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So student, as the name of SMTP, we can understand it is used for simple electronic mail transmission. Okay, it is used for simple electronic mail transmission. Okay, our next topic is Telnet. What is Telnet? Telnet is an application network. Okay, It is an application network. That is work to that is provide the connection between sender and receiver in bidirectional. In bidirectional. Sorry. Bidirectional text oriented communication. The best example of telnet is what is the best example? The best example of telnet is TeamViewer. Okay, TeamViewer. So our next topic is SSH. The full form of SSH is secure shell. Secure shell. It is used for remote login. It is used for remote login between one computer to another computer. Between one computer to another computer. Thank you student for today class. I hope you will understand all topics. If you have any query, you can ask us and we will solve your problem. Thank you. One computer to another computer. Thank you student for today class. I hope you will understand all topics. If you have any query, you can ask us and we will solve your problem. Thank you.